How to connect GA4 to Google Tag Manager. Follow the instructions. Create a GA4 property in Google Analytics and get your measurement ID. Go to Google Tag Manager and select or create the correct container for your website. Click Tags in GTM and then click New to start setting up a new GA4 tag. In Tag Configuration, choose Google Analytics, GA4 Configuration as the tag type. Paste the GA4 measurement ID into the tag settings to link it with your GA4 property. Set the trigger to all pages to fire the tag on every page load of your website. Click Save, then use the preview mode to test if the GA4 tag is firing correctly. If all works fine, click Submit, then Publish in GTM to make your tag go live. Use GTM Preview or GA4 Real-Time to confirm your tag is working and data flows in. Thanks for watching.